Well, the film is really about every girl who was made to believe in fairy tales and so now is looking for her Prince Charming.
Si Tony, meron siyang dream na balang araw darating yung Prince Charming niya.
And it is a story of every boy who refuses to become anyone's prince.
Sa movie ako si Lawrence. Ako yung wedding photographer na abangga niya si Tony, yung character ni Claudine, and they sort of have a love-hate relationship. He's the typical yung philandering, babaerong tao, babaerong lalaki. Kontra sa akin.
Si Tony OA, exan siya. Kalog.
We've always known Claudine Barreto as a versatile actress, but I've never really seen her do comedy.
Meron ka talagang kailangang pag-aralan na role.
Kasi may mga requirements nga ako na I need a Tony walk, I need a Tony talk,
It's nothing but a worm!
I need a Tony reaction.
After this movie, nagkaroon ng kulay yung buhay ko. Naging mas makulay. Kasi parang bumabalik yung, ay, kalog pala ako. Ay, nakakatawa pala ako minsan-minsan. Yung ganon.
Rico was required to sit down and interview Raymond Isaac as a photographer. Para tama lahat ang gagawin ni Rico kasi photographer siya.
Mahal niya yung profession niya bilang photographer. Para kay Lawrence, yun talagang objective niya. Maging isang ganap, maging isang sikat na photographer. He will do anything it takes for him to become successful.
Ako po si Perry, kaibigan po ko ni Lawrence. Actually, best friend ko si Lawrence. At ako po isang lawyer, serious yung tao.
Ako si Arnold. Ako yung kapartner ni Tony sa business.
Ako naman, I play the role of Karen. Best friend ko si Claudine sa movie who plays the role of Tony. Tapos, wedding planners nga kami.
Then ako, nag-serious ako rito. Dito, nag-drama ako rito. Grabe, isang katutak na take one lang. Kailan ko dapat panoodin na itong si drama. Hindi.
I had to request for a workshop because I know that I will be working with non-comedians.
Basically, ang objective niya para lang maging loose kami because kakaiba nga yung concept nito.
It really helped me a lot doing the scene kasi in a way, natanggal yung inhibitions mo at saka natanggal yung kaba mo.
Mahirap ang comedy. Mahirap gumawa ng comedy. Mas mahirap sa drama.
Ito yung pinaka naging challenging sa akin sa pelikulang ito. Paano ko mapapalabas ang karakter ni Tony, no, na funny, gregarious, hooky, sa isang Claudine Barreto.
I think ang pinaka nakakatulong sa workshop is yung nagkakaroon ka ng confidence.
It is also my first time, no, to work with Rico in a full-length feature.
Hinang ko po.
Gusto ko malaman kung hanggang saan sila po pwede pagdating sa comedy.
Sana pwede ako magpatawa. Sana. Oo. Bentang-benta si Bong Kainang. Oo, sobra-sobra.
Si Bong Navarro, grabe, I'm a fan.
Hindi, si Inang kasi dito, grabe ang ano niya sa akin dito. Kinokontrol niya talaga ako dito. Di ba bakil ako?
I asked him to tone down his antics.
Gusto niya maiba ako dito. Ayaw niya yung mga ginagawa ko ng mga Jim Carrey, mga ganung patawa. Ayaw niya. Gusto niya rito yung mas natural. Yung nakakatawa yung situational, yung ganun.
She's a perfectionist eh. So she won't stop hanggang sa makuha niya yung gusto niya. May scene doon na paglabas ko sa banyo, gusto ni Direk, parang tense na tense nga ako kasi ito yung part na sobra yung tension. Pagtakbo ko from the bathroom, pagsilip ko sa may stairs, sa sobrang bilis ko, wala akong break, talagang yung legs ko, talagang gumanon, umakyat talaga. As in, naging vertical yung position ko at natakot ako, akala ko katapusan ko na.
In short, muntikan siya malaglag sa hagdan.
Oo, akala ko last movie ko na yun.
Marami akong kinausap ng mga lalaki at mga babae. And one of the men that I use as a resource person is Rico yan.
Ang ginawa ko, nagsulat ako. Nagsulat ako yung lahat ng mga alam ko based on what friend, yung mga sinasabi sa ng kaibigan ko tungkol sa babae.
Guys would like to feel needed. Ang daming situations dito sa pelikulang ito na galing sa kanya.
Ang igaw ng lalaki, parang makina yan ng kotse. Pag sinira mo, hindi na yan aandar.
thank God na, well, nagamit ni Inang sa movie.
It's not only Rico, I would call for Vong Navarro, I would call for Dominic Ochoa, and check with them, no? Ito ba talagang, ano ba gagawin ng lalaki sa situation na to?
Siyempre, gusto namin maganda yung pelikula.
She asked question sa amin, ikaw, kung ikaw yan, sa'yo mangyari yan, ano bang mararamdaman mo? Tama ba itong mga linang sasabihin mo?
Ito talagang mas visual eh. Mukha siyang young, youth-oriented, tapos hip, colorful.
We wanted Claudine to have a new look. Bali, you'll see a different Claudine doon sa mga nakita natin sa mga soap operas.
I got Noel Naval. He really created a fashion for the character of Claudine in this film.
Movie star talaga. May tsura dapat ni Rico tsaka ni Claudine.
I want to make Rico not just good behind the camera, but even better in front of the camera.
Napaka-colorful ng movie na to.
So, costumes pa lang napakaganda na. So, yun yung pinaka-unforgettable.
Enjoy sobra yung movie.
All of us make it a point na we have to make the set light. Kaya palagi nagtatawanan, jokes palagi.
Dito walang plastikan to. Sa set kasi para kami magbabarkada. Utility lahat, binibiro namin, sa directors, artista. Kumbaga, ang ganda ng samahan. Sa baba naman ang sinuting namin.
It was really like a family. For me, the staff, the everybody, the crew, the cast was like a family.
Yeah, I had so much fun doing this film. I had so much fun. Mahirap gawin. Actually, sinasabi ko, parang mas mahirap yatang gawin ang comedy. Mas mahirap magpatawa kaysa sa magpaiyak.
It's a new experience with working with Inang. And one thing that I'm really grateful to her for is that parang dahil sa kanya, parang nag-jive yung cast with the staff, nag-jive yung crew. Yung parang hindi kami nagtatrabaho. Pagdating ng break, hindi trabaho, para kami tunay magkakaibigan, which is true.
Talagang we had so much fun in doing the movie. Kaya exciting.
Ito yung first movie na I did na yung leading lady ko is my girlfriend.
Komportable akong katrabaho si Rico kasi boyfriend ko siya in real life. Plus yung pelikula, tungkol sa amin. Mas naging advantage siya. Mas masaya, mas totoo. Ganon.
You're working with real-life sweethearts. They're very comfortable with each other. They have a very good chemistry. So built-in na yung chemistry. Advantage yun. Innate sa kanila yung mahal nila yung isa't isa. So hindi mo kailangan i-motivate, look at each other, blah, blah, and all that stuff, no? Kasi nasa puso na nila yon.
Hindi maiwasan na magkaroon ng konting tampuhan, personal na away. Siguro ang disadvantage lang yun, minsan nadadala sa eksena.
Mahirap rin.
Ang disadvantage rin, since totoo, pag may mga eksena na kailangan, kunyari, saktan yung isa, naninimbang, nagkakaroon ng reservation in delivering the requirement. Ubus na negatibo ko.
Pero eventually, na-filter out namin yun na, sige Claude, ito pala yung linya na dapat natin ilagay. Pag nagtatampuhan tayo o pag may disagreements tayo, hanggang dyan lang. Pagdating sa eksena, trabaho tayo.
We support each other kasi, Rico and I, in everything. Parang trabaho lang, let's have fun. Trabahuin natin na maayos to.
Kaya siguro tinawag na got to believe to kasi kahit gano'n nyo kamahal ng isa't isa, kung wala yung magic doon, I don't think it will work out.
You can be happy balang araw with someone.
I think ang pinaka-memorable dito sa movie na to does not lie behind the scenes. It lies within the friendship that was formed with the cast and the staff. For me, yun ang dadalhin ko hanggang sa pagtanda ko. And every time mapanood ko itong pelikulan to, ang maaalala ko, yung friendship na yun.
Trust in love to
Trust in love to
fade.
fade.
Now too late that they lost it. Never letting go.
They will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.
I may never know why I need you so.
I need you so.
All I need to know is this
Need to know
feeling.
this feeling. Handle it with care.
We were born to share this dream, my love.
Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above.